Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into safe investments and reliable returns with 9 powerful passive income ideas for 2025. Whether you're just starting or looking to diversify your portfolio, these strategies are designed to help you build financial security without the constant daily grind. Let's jump right in. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. First up are high-yield savings accounts and the CDs, two of the safest places to park your money. With competitive interest rates, your funds work for you while staying accessible and secure. Key points: minimal risk, guaranteed returns, especially with FDIC insurance, ideal for emergency funds or short-term goals. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks offer a dual benefit: potential stock appreciation and regular dividend payouts. Focus on blue-chip companies with a history of stable dividends to keep risk low while enjoying reliable income. Key points: long-term growth potential, regular dividend payouts. Research is key. Look for companies with a solid track record. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management. They pay out most of their income as dividends, making them a consistent source of passive income. Key points: diversification into property markets, regular dividend income, lower entry costs compared to direct property investment, robo-advisors and automated investment platforms. Technology meets finance with robo-advisors. These platforms automatically manage your investments based on your risk profile, making it easy to build a diversified portfolio with minimal effort. Key points: algorithm-driven portfolio management, low fees and automatic rebalancing. Great for beginners and busy investors. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect investors with borrowers seeking loans. While not risk-free, proper diversification across multiple loans can generate steady returns with manageable risk. Key points: direct lending with attractive interest rates. Diversification reduces risk. Thorough due diligence is essential. Bonds and bond funds. Bonds remain a cornerstone of safe investing. Government bonds, municipal bonds, and corporate bonds provide fixed income over time, offering a predictable stream of returns. Key points: lower volatility compared to stocks. Income through regular interest payments. Laddering strategies can enhance security and returns. Index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs give you broad market exposure with low management fees. These funds track entire markets or sectors, spreading out risk and capitalizing on overall market growth. Key points: broad diversification, low-cost structure, historically reliable long-term performance. Rental property investments. Investing in rental properties can yield a steady monthly income. Although managing properties can be time-consuming, hiring a property manager transforms it into a nearly hands-off investment. Key points: tangible asset with potential appreciation. Monthly cash flow from rent. Consider partnering with a property management firm for a passive approach. Digital assets and online business ventures. Lastly, consider leveraging digital assets. From creating online courses and ebooks to launching affiliate marketing websites, digital ventures can generate passive income while offering global reach. Key points: low overhead and scalable, diverse income streams from content, ads, or affiliate commissions. Initial effort can pay off over years with minimal maintenance. There you have it, 9 safe and effective passive income ideas for 2025. Each strategy has its own set of benefits and risk profiles, so consider your financial goals and risk tolerance when choosing your path. If you found these ideas helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building wealth safely and smartly. Drop your comments below on which passive income idea excites you the most. Thanks for watching, and here's to a financially secure 2025.